So finally, Amazon is hiring for business analyst role. If you are aiming for data analyst or business analyst fresher role, then this video is for you. So Amazon is hiring for business analyst, and the one more role is there. So job detail is like, you can, if you are looking for a job in Hyderabad and Bangalore, or if you are comfortable with these location, then you can apply for this job. For this job, an ideal candidate for this job is like who can develop insights that can help businesses or operation team to create strategies, take decisions, will have experience in working with the cross functional leaders. Then you should like have knowledge about how to transform the data into business actionable insights, and you have support ideas, drive actionable outcomes. You should know that how to solve unstructured problems, and their basic classification that they are looking for is if you have 1+ year of experience in tax or related analytical field, then you can apply. Then if you have experience defining requirements or using data metrics to draw business insights, then you can apply. If you have knowledge of SQL or ETL, then you can apply, and you also should have an experience working with Excel. If you have experience working with large data, then this is the preferred qualification. If you know the Tableau, that is too good. This is the first role for which Amazon is hiring, and there is one more role for which Amazon is hiring, which is business analyst, but specifically payment risk analytics. They are looking for someone who knows something related to payments. This job role is like the location is the Bangalore. So if you are comfortable with Bangalore, then you can apply for this job. For this particular job, they have just mentioned a basic qualification that you should have a bachelor degree and 1 year experience working with on Excel and Tableau. Data manipulation and charts creation, if you know, that would be the good. Then your job responsibility will be to understand the various operation across payment risks. You have to design and develop a dashboard and metrics using SQL and Tableau, and then you have to understand the requirement of the stakeholder and map them with the data source that they might provide you. Then you own the delivery and the backup related stuff as well. You have to create a dashboard to the leadership team as well. You have to draw inferences and conclusions. You have to tell the decisions after identify the trends. Then you have to execute high priority projects as well. So these are certain things. If you know machine learning techniques, that will be the good one option if you wanted to get this job. So both the roles are similar, only the difference is the payment risk analytics one. If you have some experience, then you can go with this. Then you have to click on apply now button. Once you will click on apply now button, it is going to ask you to log in on amazon.jobs. There are different Amazon websites like amazon.com, amazon.business. So if you don't have any account, you have to create one account. You have to click on this create one, and then it will ask you some details like your mail ID, your password that you wanted to add up. So click on this create one, and then it will take you to the next website in which you have to sign up. So here comes, you have to enter your mail ID, then you have to enter the password, and then you have to enter the non password. Then if you already have amazon.com account, then you can directly log in with the same as well. Same details will be used over here on the amazon.jobs. If you wanted to create one, you can. After entering the detail, it will ask you for the verification code. So you have to then enter the verification code, and you have to verify it. Once you will verify, it will ask for the multi-factor authentication. You can skip it for now, and you can proceed to the next step. Your next step is, it will take you to the it will redirect you to the page where business analytical role will be, like the job application will be there. So you have to enter all the details one by one, whichever is asked in this application form. So this application form is going to ask you your basic details, your resume, your education, everything. So it starts from your contact information, your name, address, and city, and the country, and the provision. And after that, there are many steps that you need to follow. Like then OTP will be sent to you, SMS notification. Then there are some general questions that will be asked to you. Then work history, education, and some job specific questions are also there. Make sure you use AI tools, or if you have certain knowledge, try to frame your answers in the better way. Then add an acknowledgement, and then review your entire thing, and then submit it. This is big application but takes some time. Once you have time, then only you apply it, because job specific questions and the related questions are very important, and this plays a role in the application selection. If the first stage is clear, then only you will move to the second stage. So for first stage, you have to fill the application very carefully. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.